Map growth, the student goal setting worksheet. The MAP test is given 3 times per year in mathematics and reading for students in kindergarten, first, and second grade. MAP is a computer adaptive test, which means that every student receives a unique set of test questions based on responses to previous questions. As the student answers correctly, the questions get harder. If the student answers incorrectly, the questions get easier. By the end of the test, most students will answer only about half of the questions correctly. The RIT score, or Rosh unit, is a score given to students in both mathematics and reading. The RIT score provides the student's instructional level and measures the student progress on a continuous scale. An easy way to understand this is measuring your child's height as they grow. An example would be a student in kindergarten with a math RIT score of a 138 and a student in the second grade with a math RIT score of a 138 would both be at the same instructional level even though they were in different grades. The MAP assessment changes how we look at assessments. Previously, all K2 students took one assessment at the end of the school year. However, with the new K2 assessments, the assessment is given 3 times per year, allowing teachers and parents to see how the students are growing throughout the school year. Now we're going to look at the student goal setting worksheet and what the scores mean. The first section of the report will give you information such as the student name, ID, and also includes when the student took the assessment. For this student, under the term rostered section, I can tell the student took the winter assessment during the 2017-2018 school year. The next area of the report we will look at tells us the subject area for the assessment and additional information. When you view your child's report, you will notice that mathematics will always be listed at the top of the report, followed by the reading report. When you look at your child's report, you will notice a bar graph on the left side of the page. This represents the student's RIT score for the fall and the winter assessment. Also, you will notice a dotted line across the top of the graph. This dotted line indicates the student's projected RIT score by the end of the school year. The projected RIT score is determined by MAP and shows average growth from the beginning of the school year to the end. On the right side of the page, you will notice a section called Goal Performance. This section breaks down the assessment further by showing you how your child performed in each area of the assessment. The areas highlighted in green indicate an area of strength, and the areas highlighted in yellow indicate an area of weakness for the student. If you see an area not highlighted on the report, this indicates the student scored as expected. Every student will have both green and yellow areas on the report, regardless of their RIT score or their grade level. Another area on the report allows the student to set their own goal for the next assessment. It is important that students set obtainable goals for themselves. The student action plan allows the student to set a plan of how they will reach their new goal. One way you can help your child set their goal could be to look at their areas of weakness, highlighted in yellow, to work on for the next assessment they take. To find additional information, go to the Beebe Public Schools website and select your child's school. From there, you will look underneath the Quick Links section and you will find the K2 assessment link to find the new assessment page. On the assessment page, you will be able to find resources for parents, students in kindergarten, first, and second grade. If you select the Parents tab at the top of the page, you'll be able to find resources such as frequently asked questions, understanding the student goal setting worksheet, a parent's guide to MAP, and NWEA's parent toolkit. Also included on this page are resources from MAP and Khan Academy. The resources will allow you to view your child's RIT score and match it to specific skills, video tutorials, and activities to help your child in that specific area. If you select one of the grade level tabs at the top of the page, you will be able to see the MAP practice. What this area does is allows your child to practice the specific skills they need for the MAP growth test. Also included is a practice test, and the username and password is also included for you as well. Underneath the MAP practice section, you will find specific computer skills that can help your student prepare for taking a MAP test. These skills include things such as using the mouse, how to drag and drop, and keyboarding skills. All of these sites are interactive games specifically designed for students in this grade level to help them with the skills they need to best help them on the MAP test. Also included are math and reading skills. These are also interactive websites that can help your child at home on specific areas. This is true for first and second grade. All have these same resources specifically designed to help all of the students on the MAP test. If you have additional questions, please feel free to contact your child's school or you can contact the curriculum office.